Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be looking into datetime conversions and functions in Python. So let's get started. Working with datetime conversions and functions in Python is essential when dealing with date and time data. Python provides a robust datetime module within the standard library, offering a wide range of functionality for handling datetime objects, performing conversions, and executing various datetime related operations. In this article, we'll explore common datetime conversions and functions in Python. Working with datetime objects. Before diving into conversions and functions, let's understand the basics of working with datetime objects in Python. The datetime module provides the datetime class, which allows you to represent and manipulate date and time information. Here's how you can create a datetime object for the current date and time. So you import datetime from datetime and then do a datetime.now to get the current datetime. Next, we have datetime to string conversion. So there's this strf time, so string from time method for this purpose. So it just, you can like from a certain datetime, you can just get a certain part of it. So here in formatted date, you just got the year, month and date. And in the time, you got the hour, minutes and seconds. Next is string to datetime conversion, which is from a string, it's converting it to a datetime, which uses the strp time, something which I get confused when I'm doing my work. Datetime arithmetic, you can perform arithmetic operations with datetime objects. For instance, you can calculate the difference between two datetime objects as you can see here. So date 2 minus date 1 will, like if you do dot days, then you'll get the number of days that's different. There's also a lot of datetime functions that are there. So there's datetime.now, datetime.date, time, replace, weekday, string from time, ptime, and datetime.time delta, which allows you to like add a certain number of days or hours or minutes to a certain date time. That's it for this article. For the rest of this, we'll come back to this in the next part of this video. Thank you. Have a great day.